It's week 29 of actually going outside in 2026, and this week I'm going for a bike ride on Granite Groove Out. It's this mountain biking and hiking trail along these big Canadian Shield granite slabs out near Lac du Bonnet. Thought it might be a good way to rebuild my confidence on the bike. So far, it has been a little bit scary, I will admit. But I've managed just fine so far, so I'm gonna keep at it. It is amazing how scary being on my bike is now. My confidence level has dropped just a ton. But I guess today is going to be less about presence and having a peaceful bike ride and more about facing my fears. And here we go. I'm facing my fears. I can go over this log. Oh, see? Easy peasy. No problem at all. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, that though, that's too scary. Oh, I am also out of shape for biking. I am already very tired. Oh, plus fear makes for jelly legs. Yay, yay, yay. Pretty nice view from up here though. It's a lovely spot to take a break, which I very much needed, because something that I think I failed to mention is that it's like 32 degrees today. I don't know what the humidity is. It's hot. And although it's sunny up here, the wind is nice. So now there's this. I can do this. I've done harder things. I can do this. I have done harder things. Yes, I can do this. Oh, that's scary. I think I'm gonna go around and do it again, because I can, and I need to prove to myself that I can. It's not that hard. It's just that looks scary because it's right next to it. Okay. Go number 2. Good roll in this time. We get low, we go around, we go down right here. Yes, easy peasy. Beautiful. Cover, Steve. Look at that view. As far as Manitoba goes, is practically a mountain. And I had better get going because I'm getting swarmed by horseflies. I just walked down this hill to preview what's in store, because I'm being very careful and listening to my mantra of pre-ride, re-ride, free ride, the free ride being optional. And because I'm betting my microphone cut out there, I'll just say that again. Being up at the top of that and looking down is scary mentally. Obviously, it's pretty steep, it's rock, it's unforgiving, but I know that I can do it. I know that I've done harder features, that it's just a matter of being careful with your braking, being careful with your body position, and going down the hill. It's not that complicated. I've done much, much harder. But it's like my body is carrying a memory, like its own memory of the accident, and has a fear that is physical. Because as soon as I rode up right there and saw down the hill, saw how steep it was, saw little drops at the bottom, my ankles started just shaking, like uncontrollably shaking. And yeah, that's something that's taking some amount of effort to get over. And I think it'll be worth getting over because it's beautiful out here. It's scorchingly, brutally hot, but it's so quiet. But yeah, it's a little scary. Whew. Oh. Okay, so I survived Bunta Eve Classic, I think the first trail was called. But I am not at my 2-hour mark yet, so I'm going for a man. The sun has also come out with a vengeance. It was pretty cloudy before now. Now it's hot. Phone is saying 38 degrees after the humidity, so yeah, nice day. It's so hot out that I just paused to check how far is left on this trail, and my phone told me that it's overheating and needs to cool down and I can't use it for a bit. So yeah, I hope there's a slushy machine somewhere nearby. It is so hot out here. I have lost the ability to speak coherently, and I feel like I'm starting to get to the point where I'm like hallucinating an oasis in the middle distance, Looney Tunes style. So I'm not quite at 2 hours yet, but I found a nice shady spot to sit down for a while. There's a bit of a breeze, it's cooled me down a bit. I'm close to the end of this section of the trail, and then there's just a little road back to the car. So I'm not gonna hop on to the next section of trail, I'm just gonna go back to the car. I don't wanna get heat stroke. I've had my outside time, not quite at 2 hours, but I gave it my best shot. I think it's very reasonable to head back at this point. Okay, look at that. There's a road. That is it for today. But hey, I survived. I didn't wipe out, I didn't fall off. I did some scary features, some hard uphills, some rocks, some very scary downhills, and I did just fine. Maybe feeling like I've got a very, very small bit of my old confidence back. I'm glad I came out here today. It was a much spicier trail than I expected, but I had a good time. Oh yeah, and I got a orange Kool-Aid slushie from the co-op, and it is delightful, especially after being so hot for so many hours. Really nice. Also, it's starting to rain. Well, that'll cool me off, I guess. Well, that's it for today. See you next week.